Welcome sa Lutong Inato. Hello everyone, it's a beautiful day. Let's cook binisayang sarsyadong pork. Stay tuned and these are the ingredients. Pork sliced into small pieces, carrots, patatas, spices and seasoning to taste. First, saute the spices and the pork and put the black pepper, salt and seasoning to taste and liquid seasoning plus the soy sauce. Then cover the pork, let it cook and put the patatas and next is the carrots. Mikos-mikos lang hanggang sa maluto yung mga gulay. And then let's add the tomato sauce and mix it all together. Then next is the peanut butter and brown sugar. Let it cook until maluto na ang mga ingredients. Yun no, luto na po ang ating binisayang sarsyadong pork. Then let's listen to our food expert.
Just right ra ang potato pagkaluto mag di siya hard, di siya soft. Lami kayo. Kasi dali ka ng perfect ra ang kasi sa salty.